Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use a jump starter battery pack. First, gather your jump starter and ensure it is fully charged, ideally indicating at least 75% power before you begin. Always wear appropriate safety gear, such as gloves and eye protection, when working around car batteries. It is essential to understand your jump starter's specific instructions, as different models can have slight variations in their operation. Position your jump starter on a stable, flat surface, away from any moving engine components. Locate the positive terminal on your dead car battery, usually marked with a plus sign and covered by a red cap. Connect the red clamp from your jump starter firmly to this positive terminal. Next, attach the black clamp to a clean, unpainted metal part of the engine block or the car's frame. This grounding point, away from the battery itself, ensures a safe circuit. Once all connections are secure, activate your jump starter according to its instructions. Many units have an on button or automatically detect the connection. Wait for any indicator lights or beeps, confirming it is ready to supply power. Now, attempt to start your vehicle, cranking the engine for no more than 5 seconds at a time. If it does not start immediately, wait for about 1 minute before trying again. Do not make more than 3 starting attempts. Once your car starts, congratulations, it is crucial to disconnect the clamps in the reverse order. First, remove the black negative clamp from the engine block. Then, carefully detach the red positive clamp from the battery terminal. Allow your vehicle to run for at least 20 to 30 minutes. This helps the car's alternator recharge its own battery. Remember to fully recharge your jump starter pack within 24 hours after each use, ensuring it is prepared for your next emergency.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.